And October reminds us that it is time to change over our closets to make room for fall clothes, but a lot of women forget that it's also time to change over your fall skincare regimen. The Wrinkle Fairy, Leslie Forrester from the Liposuction and Cosmetic Surgery Institute is here to tell us how we can do it. So we need our magic wand. Hello, Fairy.
Good morning.
It's so good to see you.
So great to see you.
And you do always look, you always come in and you're like glowing and you look good and you're a great testament for what you guys do,
Thanks.
you know?
Thank you.
Okay, so tell us, like, where do we start? Where is a place to start? Because you had mentioned before IPL treatment. Is that a good overall way to kind of go through the seasons?
It is. It's wonderful. You can do it once a season, once a year, but it's a great way to get rid of the sun damage that you did all summer.
Okay,
with
what is
not
it?
wearing sunscreen.
Right.
So it's a light treatment, essentially. It's a laser, but it's more of a light treatment. And what it does is it breaks up all that brown discoloration. It also targets those little red, if you get broken capillaries from the sun, or even like little red, like almost moles, freckles. They're called cherry hemangiomas. We can get rid of those. Works for rosacea that is aggravated from sun as well, so it works on all of that.
And is that something you have to do several times, or can you go in once and really see that you
It
get
depends
results?
on the amount of damage that you have.
Okay.
If you've been really bad boy or girl all summer and you did a lot of sun damage, you might see me more than once.
Okay.
But if you are kind of moderate, just one will be good.
Oh, that's good that you can actually see. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Every time she's here,
absolutely.
I'm like this.
No, stop, please.
It's good. I'm going to get through this. Okay, and now when the weather starts to get cold, what is it that we should be doing to kind of switch our overall kind of like skin regimen?
Yeah, we have to change our skincare just like we do everything else in the winter. And because we live in Chicago and we go through the 4 seasons, you do need to change your skincare. So we don't have the moisture in the air that we do in the summer months, right? So we need to add some more moisture. We have a product called that uses a hyaluronic acid called Hydro Boost, and that keeps water drawn into your skin, which will keep it nice and plump, and it will also help to smooth out your fine lines and wrinkles.
So that's this product that we're talking about here. And this is all over the
face, absolutely, and the neck. And then we have a great product called Kybella, which is this product that just adds overall moisture to your face and neck as well. And of course, you should always, even if it's snowing, even if it's gray, you need sunscreen.
I think a lot of people think, you know, it's winter.
Oh,
I mean, we talk about that a lot, but you could still get those UVA rays, and you notice that people...
absolutely. You do massive sun damage in the winter because you're unprotected and you're not expecting it coming. So, yeah, for sure. When you're driving,
you have
massive sun coming in. That's why everyone's left side of their face looks worse than the right side of their face.
That.
Oh, yeah.
And now I'm going to be analyzing
sun damage from driving. It's horrible.
So wait, this is your sunscreen, the product that you guys sell?
It is, yes. We have our own skincare line, and I will say to any woman who's over 30 watching this, it's time to buy your skincare from a doctor's office.
Okay.
It doesn't mean that it's more expensive. These products are actually all around $40 or so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but the department store is not cutting it.
Okay.
You need real skincare.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean it's aggressive. It's just more effective.
I like it too when you make it consistent, because I think a lot of women, it's like we get our product here, we get a little product there, and I pull it together and I'm like, I have no idea if all this is working together or not.
Of course.
But
you're sort of sucked in by a lot of the stuff that you see walking through, you know, the department stores.
Right.
So
you're like, I have to. Okay, let's talk about the vampire facial.
Oh, it's
because
so fun.
It is the time of year, and we have somebody on our staff who did it who looks amazing.
Yeah.
But tell us about the vampire facial.
So it's great. It's we use platelet-rich plasma. So we take a little bit of blood from you, we centrifuge it through a very fancy machine, and then we take out the stem cells and the platelet-rich plasma, and we re-inject it into the skin.
It's so bizarre. It is like the most, but it works.
It does. It can go everywhere. It can go into your scalp for hair rejuvenation. It goes.
Really?
We put it all over the body.
And does it hurt?
No, and there's a bunch of ways to put it in. So we don't actually have to inject it in. We can actually like roll it in. We can use a light laser and then put it on. It's great. So it increases stimulation through increasing circulation to your face. It helps with the color of your skin. It helps with texture. It helps with collagen stimulation. It's awesome.
Okay.
It's great.
The vampire facial, got to ask for that. And then finally, like that Kybella you were on last time, that's the for the neck.
Yeah.
And everybody's still talking about it. This is still a good time to do this too, right?
It's a great time because you do get a little bit of swelling with it. So you throw on a turtleneck and out you go. I mean, this is great. This is a non-surgical result from an injection that we do, usually about 2 sessions, called Kybella. And as a side to the actually dissolving the fat, which by the way is permanent, it does tend to shrink the skin up as well. So this is
It's
I mean, it's great. Yeah.
The advances in skincare alone with products without using surgery is so amazing that I think about plastic surgeons are going to have to like figure out something else to do, right?
Amazing. We are all about the non-surgical approach,
Yeah.
so it's great.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Wrinkle Fairy. We
My
appreciate
pleasure.
it. If you need help with your skincare this fall, moving into winter, you too can contact the Wrinkle Fairy, Leslie Forrester. You can get a private consultation. Call 847-259-1000, or you can learn more at lipodoc.com.